Imagine websites that can create videos, design images, build websites, and even write content for you in seconds. Today, I'm showing you 7 AI websites that feel almost illegal to know, and most people still don't know about them. We are living in an era where artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword, it's a superpower. Whether you're a student, a business owner, or a content creator, these tools are about to change your life. Welcome to AI Tech Orbit, the channel where we explore the latest AI tools and future technology. If you want to discover powerful AI tools before everyone else, subscribe now. And make sure to watch until the end because website number 6 is the one many YouTubers are secretly using to grow faster. You won't believe what it can do with just one click. Website number 1 is Gamma AI. If you've ever spent hours struggling with PowerPoint or Google Slides, this tool is your new best friend. It's an AI-powered presentation builder that does the heavy lifting for you. Instead of designing slides manually, you just type your topic. For example, if you input the future of artificial intelligence, Gamma AI automatically generates slides, images, and structured content in seconds. It's perfect for students working on school projects, entrepreneurs creating pitch decks for investors, or even creators trying to organize their video scripts and ideas. It even suggests layouts and color schemes. The best part, you can customize everything with a simple chat interface. No more dragging boxes around for hours. Now, let's get into something a bit more visual. Website number 2 is Leonardo AI. While many people have heard of Midjourney, Leonardo AI is one of the most powerful and accessible AI image generators available right now. And the quality? It's breathtaking. Just type a prompt like futuristic cyberpunk city at night, and the AI instantly generates high-quality images. It understands lighting, texture, and style better than almost any other free-to-try tool out there. But it's not just for pretty pictures. You can use it to create consistent characters for stories, 3D textures for game design, or even complex architectural concepts. It gives you full control over the aspect ratio and model style. Creators are using this for high click-through YouTube thumbnails, social media designs that stand out, and even selling their digital art online. It's a complete creative suite in your browser. If you can imagine it, Leonardo can build it. But what if you need help with the words and organization? That's where our next tool comes in. It's time to talk about productivity. Website number 3 is Notion AI. Notion was already a powerhouse for note-taking, but with the integration of AI, it has become a true second brain. It's like having a personal assistant living inside your documents. This AI tool can help you write notes, summarize documents, and generate ideas instantly. Simply open Notion and click Ask AI. You can ask it to summarize a 20-page article into a few sentences or even create a study plan from your raw notes. Stuck on a blog post or a script? Just ask Notion AI to generate blog ideas or outline a project. It can even fix your grammar and change the tone of your writing from casual to professional in one click. It saves you hours of manual editing and brainstorming. Whether you're a student keeping track of lectures or a professional managing a team, Notion AI keeps everything organized and actionable. It's the ultimate tool for staying organized in a chaotic world. But images and text are only half the story. What about the sound? This next one is honestly a bit scary. Website number 4 is ElevenLabs. If you've heard a voice on social media and couldn't tell if it was a human or a robot, there's a good chance it was made here. This is the gold standard for AI audio. This AI website generates extremely realistic human voices. Just paste your script, choose from hundreds of different voices with different accents and emotions, and the AI converts it into natural speech in seconds. Many creators use this for YouTube videos, audiobooks, and podcasts. The AI even captures the subtle breaths and pauses that make a voice sound human. It can even clone your own voice if you provide a sample. It works in dozens of languages, meaning you can translate your content and reach a global audience without needing to speak a word of French, Spanish, or Japanese yourself. The possibilities are endless. It's a game changer for accessibility and content reach. Now, let's switch from audio to something even bigger, building an entire presence on the web. And I mean the whole thing. Website number 5 is Durable AI. If you've ever wanted to start a business but got stuck because you didn't know how to code or design a website, your excuse just disappeared. This is the fastest website builder on earth. This AI tool can create a full website in just 30 seconds. You simply describe your business and its location, and Durable AI generates a professional homepage, relevant images, and even the text content for you. It's not just a pretty page. It includes SEO, a CRM to manage customers, and even analytics. It even writes your first few marketing emails for you. It's a literal business in a box powered by AI. For freelancers and small business owners, this saves thousands of dollars in developer fees and weeks of time. You can go from an idea to a live professional website before your coffee gets cold. It really is that simple. But now we've reached the peak. This next tool is the one the pros are using to dominate social media right now. Let's talk about going viral. Website number 6 is Opus Clip. This is the tool many top creators are secretly using to stay relevant. If you have long-form videos like podcasts or tutorials, this tool is your shortcut to the algorithm's heart. Opus Clip can automatically convert one long video into dozens of viral shorts or reels. It uses AI to find the most engaging moments, the best hooks, and the most important points in your video. It doesn't just cut the video, it adds animated captions, emojis, and reframes the footage so it's perfectly centered for vertical viewing. It even gives each clip a virality score to tell you which one to post first. This is how creators are posting 10 times a day without spending 10 hours editing. It's the ultimate growth hack for anyone who wants to build an audience quickly on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Seriously, if you are a YouTuber and you aren't using this, you're leaving views on the table. But we have one more. And this one is for the dreamers and the filmmakers. This is the future of cinema. Website number 7 is Runway AI. Runway is at the absolute forefront of AI video generation. This isn't just about editing anymore, it's about creating entire worlds from thin air. It's mind-blowing. This AI platform allows you to generate videos using artificial intelligence. You can create cinematic visuals just by typing a prompt. From epic landscapes to surreal animations, it's like having a Hollywood VFX studio in your pocket. You can use tools like Motion Brush to animate specific parts of an image, or use Gen 2 to create entirely new clips. Filmmakers and artists are using this to prototype movies and create visuals that were previously impossible. It's lowering the barrier to entry for creative storytelling. You don't need $1 million budget to tell a visual story anymore. All you need is a great idea and a prompt. The world is your canvas. So those were 7 powerful AI websites that can save you hours of work and completely transform your creative process. From presentations to full-scale cinema, AI is here to help you build faster. Most of these tools offer free versions to get you started, so there's really no reason not to try them out today. Experiment, explore, and see how they can fit into your specific workflow. If you want to discover more AI tools that can transform the way you work, make sure to subscribe to AI Tech Orbit. We're constantly hunting for the latest tech so you don't have to. And comment below which AI website surprised you the most. Was it the website builder or the video generator? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.